Hi, this is Taylor, and this is the first video in a series on CORS, or cross-origin resource sharing. CORS is a mechanism to reject requests from origins that don't match the same domain, scheme, or port. But simply, if I attempt to request resources from domain XYZ from domain ABC, the browser will first make a request to the options method of the resource we're requesting before making the real request. This gives the server the opportunity to reject the request if CORS is not enabled. Now, I've whipped up a simple Express and Angular app so we can kind of see what a failed CORS request looks like. So here I have the simple API, and the CORS middleware is commented out, even though I have the CORS package installed from npm. If I go to my Angular app and I click make request, I get back an error. It says HTTP failure response from the address, endpoint, status code of 0, and a message of unknown error. Now, at first glance, you don't really know that this is a CORS error. In fact, it looks rather vague. But if I go to Chrome DevTools, if I click on the Network tab, I can see the request in red, and it actually says CORS error. So that's how I know that I've run into a issue with cross-origin resource sharing. The browser made a pre-flight request to the hello resource, and the server said no. If I click into the request, I can see that the browser sent in these headers, and it's using the origin header of localhost 4200, which is the address of my Angular app, to the host of localhost 3000. That's the address of my server app. And the server looked at those and said, hey, these two don't really match. I'm going to throw up a flag and reject this request. Now, fixing it for Express is simple enough. If I go back to my API and I uncomment this, save, should restart for me. Perfect. Go back to my Angular app and make the request again. I get back a successful response. 200. Now, when we enable CORS, by default, it's going to allow requests from all domains. And we might not necessarily want that because that might be a little bit of a security issue. In the next video, we're going to go over how to create a whitelist of only allowed domains to secure your app. And in the meantime, if you would like more information on how to enable CORS for your app, I would highly recommend checking out enablecors.org. It's got a lot of good general information about what CORS is, how it works, and how to enable CORS on your server. Thanks for watching.